Hey there, it's Michelle Mahoney here. Have you ever wanted to start your own online business? So did I. So about 3 years ago, I decided to open an Etsy shop, and I was gonna make custom clothes and put them on the Etsy shop, and I was gonna be a millionaire overnight, and it was gonna be amazing. But it didn't happen that way. And so I did a little bit here and there, and I didn't really know exactly what to do. So I started researching and I started taking courses, and I really started building up on my knowledge of what an online business actually is. And within the last 3 months, I have made over $1,000 just working online on my own hours with my kids home, working for myself. And it has been absolutely incredible. And so what I want to do is teach you how to have your own online business. Now for me, I use an Etsy shop, but I have the skills and the abilities to teach you how to use the skills and strategies that I used across any platform with an MLM company, a direct sales company, whatever it is. The tools that I have learned apply to an online business in general. So this training that I have created is for anybody that has an online business or that wants an online business. And I'm gonna give you the step-by-step training about how you can make your online business successful from your own home or online, wherever you wanna be. I am so excited to put this together for you because I wanted a training like the one I have made for you. I wanted the step-by-step, okay, what do I do next? Now I do this, what do I do next? That's the kind of training that I wanted. And so I had to do lots of research and take lots of courses in order to put that course together for you. So I'm super excited for you to go ahead and take that training with me today. It will be a 3-day online live training where you get to ask me questions, interact with me, and then it's a lifetime membership. So you will always be able to go into the group, access the live videos, so you can take your time step by step to take the training course. I'm so excited for you. I can't wait to hear your success stories. So just go ahead and click that button to save your seat today, and then I'll send over the workbook to you as soon as it's ready. I'll see you in there.